Hi, so now let's learn more in depth about liver and its health. So the liver is a very important organ when it comes to processing of nutrients, filtration of blood, and even fighting infections in our body. But apart from that, it also plays a major role in detoxification of our system. So naturally, when the liver is inflamed or damaged, its functions can be affected. So now let's talk about the tests which are covered under liver health and can give us a fair idea about how our liver is functioning. So some of the tests are total bilirubin, fatty liver index, ALT also known as SGPT, AST also known as SGOT, alkaline phosphatase, GGT or gamma glutamyl transferase, total protein, albumin, globulin, and albumin to globulin ratio. So now let's discuss about these tests one by one. The first one which we'll be talking about is total bilirubin. So this test basically measures the amount of bilirubin in the blood which is formed when old RBCs or red blood cells break down and gives a very good idea about the liver functioning. And if we talk about fatty liver index, so this again is a very good marker of your liver health. It is an index based on your body mass index, which is the BMI, which is based on your height and weight. Also, it factors in your waist circumference, triglyceride levels, and your gamma glutamyl transferase for the prediction of fatty liver. Next, we talk about some of the liver enzymes. So, ALT and AST are two of them. ALT is your alanine transaminase, and AST is your aspartate transaminase. These are enzymes which are produced by the liver and are sensitive indicators of liver damage and dysfunction. And if we talk about alkaline phosphatase and GGT or gamma glutamyl transferase, so this ALP is actually an enzyme found in the blood which helps break down proteins in the body, whereas your gamma glutamyl transferase is an enzyme that helps carry out the liver's detoxification function. Derangement in any of their levels is actually indicative of biliary dysfunction or any dysfunction that is related to your bile secretion and also your bile duct functioning. Next, we move on to the proteins which are involved when we talk about liver health. So, albumin and globulin are two of these proteins. Albumin is a protein synthesized in the liver which helps in maintenance of fluid balance, transport of nutrients, and also maintains homeostasis of the body, whereas globulins are a group of proteins in the blood which are made in the liver by the immune system. Now, these globulins play an important role when it comes to blood clotting, fighting infection or inflammation, and of course, it is also a very good marker when we talk about liver dysfunction. Lastly, we will discuss total protein and albumin to globulin ratio. So the total protein actually indicates albumin and globulin levels in the blood combined, and a shift in the albumin to globulin ratio can help in evaluating the total protein correctly in the body. If you have any questions or comments, get in touch at any of these contact details given below.